start off with a popular fat, avocado. You love it or you hate it. Besides being soft, you'll know an avocado is ripe when the stem pops off easily. Avocado is a wonderful source of monounsaturated fats, and it's rich in vitamins and minerals. Just pop out the seed like this. This technique is a great way to cube an avocado. And your hand if you're not careful. One of my favorite things is avocado tuna salad. It's a tasty and healthy replacement to mayo. Just add a good grinding of salt and pepper, mix, and you're done. Check out this salad with hemp hearts, cashews, and a little hot sauce. Alfredo sauce. My version takes most of the saturated fat found in heavy cream and replaces it with olive oil. Add half a cup of 10% cream in a pan with 2 tablespoons olive oil and heat on medium. Add half a teaspoon minced garlic. Don't let it boil or it may curdle. Turn it down to low. Add salt and pepper to taste and stir. It's starting to thicken slightly on its own. Next, add a little bit of the mixture into a beaten egg yolk. Mix well and pour back into the sauce. You don't want to add the yolk without doing this step, or you'll get scrambled yolk in your sauce. The yolk will cook and thicken the sauce nicely. Next, we'll add some grated Parmesan. This will thicken the sauce even more. You'll notice that the olive oil has been nicely incorporated into the sauce. That's due to the fat in the yolk and the cheese. This sauce is beautiful over anything. Cheese sauce. This starts out using the same base of olive oil and 10% cream. Next, add some mascarpone cheese. This adds a buttery flavor. You can also use cream cheese. Let it melt, then turn it down slightly so it doesn't boil. Next, add half a cup of any grated cheese you want. I decided to go with this 3-cheese blend. Whisk to melt in. The cheese thickens the sauce in this recipe. Add salt and pepper to taste. Ooh, so good. If you want to give your sauce a little bit of yellow color, add in some paprika or turmeric. Mix and serve while still hot. It's great over veggies. Leftover sauce can be heated up nicely. Coconut oil. I'm not a huge fan of the flavor, but when making brittle or energy bars, it's a handy thing to add as it helps to keep the bars firm and room temperature.